car's been
in an accident.
We're gonna go traction off here. We're gonna try this rolling anti-lag, guys. Oh my God.
All right, boys, we're flashing on a new tune revision. Then we should be good to go.
What's up, guys? I have a confession to make. I really need to apologize to you guys for not being as consistent with the content as I generally like to be. I'm trying to bump up the quality of our content a little bit more, which is also kind of slowing down my process on getting videos out. We haven't done any car reviews in a minute. We haven't done any car shows or anything else that I usually like to try to do on my channel. So please bear with me. I'm working on some things. Winter months has been bringing in a little bit more difficulty as far as weather, meats not being as readily available. So bear with me and let's hop straight into the video. I went to North Carolina, took a road trip, went and picked up some Audi RS3 seats, as you can see. Don't mind the Chipotle. We picked up the seats, and fortunately they're in obviously great condition. RS3s tend to not be driven that much.
That baffles me.
So I was so excited to put the seats in. I ended up doing it as soon as I got home. It was dark outside. It was not conducive for filming whatsoever. So none of that footage will make the YouTube video. However, this footage will.
First left onto Macklin.
There are modules on the bottom of the seats. I believe it's for the airbag system. I don't know if the control module for the airbags in the RS3 has told the rest of the modules around the car that the car has been in an accident and throw an airbag light. Well, guess what? I have an airbag light, not from the new seats, but from the module from the old seats. So we're gonna try to remedy that and figure out what we need to do as far as getting the airbag light off of the dash. Second, guys, I got some exciting news for the channel. We're going water meth injected again, and this is not the whole kit, but you guys are familiar with my Mark V that was water meth injected and the wonders that the water meth worked, especially with the billet aluminum intake manifold, in bringing the IAT temperatures down to a fraction of ambient. So I'm very excited about that. Just stay tuned. We're about to turn it up. I really appreciate you guys for watching, and let's hop straight into this one. I'm not gonna cap to you, 40 PSI is pretty insane. I don't think I was supposed to go that high, but she was spinning.